welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Cakey. Today I am here to do a review and wear test on the new Danessa Myricks Serum Foundation. So if you'd like to see how this foundation applies, how it holds up and wears on my very oily skin for the entire day, please keep on watching.
So it comes in this box, this new yummy foundation, and it's in a plastic squeezable tube like so. This is refillable, so you can remove the bottom when it's finished. And to do the application, I'm using my Sephora Times Coach foundation brush, and wow, do you see how that covered my spots? Wow guys. And this foundation really feels like I'm not wearing anything at all on the skin. It is super lightweight, but as you see, it's really beautiful. And medium coverage, I would say I achieved from this one. Using my Bobbi Brown Intense Serum Concealer, because this is a serum foundation review, I didn't want to mix a product that would separate, so I feel like this is a lovely full coverage concealer to go with this foundation.
Everything set really beautiful with this new serum foundation. I feel like upon application it's naturally dewy. However, I did use my YSL matte primer at the beginning, and I did also, as you see, use my Benefit setting spray at the end as the Benefit setting spray do control shine and sweat and that type of stuff, so that's why I use that one for this serum foundation. But I must mention, this foundation do have a smell to it. If you're one of those ladies that don't like the smell, it's a bit harsh if you don't like smells to your foundation. But if you're setting your foundation, or if you're using like a setting spray or like a setting powder, I feel like that would cover up this smell, as I don't smell it anymore because I did use my Benefit setting spray and I did use my Becca setting refresh powder, so I don't smell it anymore. But I must mention, upon application I did smell that type of smell, which it wasn't good at all to me, the smell. But as far as the application, this is really magnificent. I really can't say anything bad about it other than the smell to this one. And if I didn't mention, I am in the shade 15N, and 15N is for a dark skin with neutral undertones. This serum foundation is loaded with skincare benefits and it's perfect for the spring, just coming out of the winter. Most people who do suffer from dry skin, I feel like this is perfect. If you do have combination skin, which you do get patchy areas, I feel like this is really perfect, as it did blur all of my lines and all of that type of stuff. I feel like this is really pretty. But I am gonna be keeping this foundation on all day, and then I'll be back later to show you how it held up or if it fell apart. But upon application, like, my makeup is flawless. Like, I have no complaints. And if I had to rate this foundation just upon application and how easy and seamless it applied, I give this a perfect 10 already. But however, I can't judge it off of just application, so I am gonna be wearing it for the entire day for you beautiful ladies, and then I'll be back to show you if it fell apart or if it held up on my very oily skin. But I hope you all have a really lovely day, and I'll see you all later. After wearing this new Danessa Myricks serum foundation all day, and this is the status of my skin. I am really dewy, which is obvious. However, I don't have any separation on the side of my nose or by my mouth, under my eyes, in my T-zone. It's just really dewy. None of the foundation rubbed off at all. As you can see, everything is still in place. My blush is here, my highlighter is still on my face. Nothing rubbed off. I'm just really dewy, like I said. And with this foundation, I do believe that if I do blot, it would come back to new, like a good foundation will. So I will give it a test, because I am getting ready for bed. I am gonna still put it to the test, just so you can see if I was to touch this up, will I still be dewy, or how would it look? Because I haven't touched up all day. I just wanted to wear this foundation and show you how it really wears. So let me. The oil is already disappearing, which is lovely. The foundation isn't lifting up at all or moving. Upon touch up, it doesn't look cakey either. Just is bringing back the foundation like new, which a good foundation will always come back to brand new, like so, which is really lovely. I feel like if I had to get an extended wear on this foundation, I absolutely can. I had this on, I would say, close to 12 hours for the entire day, and like I said, it wore really lovely. Nothing lift up at all. This foundation didn't oxidize. It stayed true to the color, because it's a really lovely foundation. I can't stress that enough. I feel like someone with dry skin will really love this foundation. I also feel like someone with a combination skin will love this foundation. However, if you are oily skin, I feel like there are better options as far as foundations for us. But if you do like a dewy finish or a dewy look foundation, this is the one that I would recommend to you. I feel like this foundation wears just like the new Kosas foundation. If you did have the Kosas foundation and you had your eyes on this, I feel like this is very similar in application. I feel like it wears the same. And like I said, I will absolutely recommend this to anyone who loves a nice dewy foundation that you can set down and still get this seamless matte finish if you wanted to do that with matte setting products. And like I said, I will recommend this to anyone. If there's anything at all that I didn't mention about this beautiful new serum foundation, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you're new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to bringing you more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching.